बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री बीएससी सेकंड ईयर पेपर 2 केमिस्ट्री का डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। ओके, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग पेपर रहने वाला है। अगर आप चैनल पे न्यू हो तो तुरंत सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। ओके, अगर और क्लास अच्छी लगेंगी तो लाइक बटन को भी हिट जरूर कीजिएगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फ्रेंड्स, द स्मॉलेस्ट रिपीटेटिव यूनिट ऑफ द क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज। सो फ्रेंड्स, जो स्मॉलेस्ट रिपीटेटिव स्ट्रक्चर्स of structural unit of the crystal structure is known as the unit cell. That's why option number C is correct answer. Okay, now next question friends, for the crystal structure how many numbers of Bravais lattice are there? So friends, correct option is that option number C. There are total 14 Bravais lattice are there. Okay, now next question friends, labeling of the lattice planes is done by using option number B, that is Miller indices should be the correct answer. Miller indices. Now next question friends. So next question friends, which is not true about the solid state? Option A, they have definite shape and volume. Option B, they have high density and low compressibility. Option C, they have high attractive force among the molecules. And option D, they have high vapor pressure. So friends, option D is not true about solid state. Okay, that's why option D is correct answer. Okay, now next question friends. The question number next is that amorphous solids do not have. So friends, amorphous solids do not have soft melting point, characteristic geometrical shapes and regularity of the structure. That's why option number D, all of these is correct answer. Okay, all of these is correct answer. Now next questions, a crystal solid has option A definite geometrical shape, option B flat faces, option C soft edges and option D all of this. So friends, इसका जो ऑप्शन डी है इस करेक्ट आंसर होगा. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस. Question number 4. Amorphous substances are isotropic because option A, they have same value of any property in all direction. Okay, they have the same value of any property in all direction is correct answer. Now next questions. The elements of symmetry are plane of symmetry, axis of symmetry and center of symmetry. Okay, that's why all of the above option number D is correct answer friends. Now next questions, question number next, that is the amorphous solids among the following is option A table salt, option B diamond, option C plastic and option D graphite. So friends, option C plastic is correct answer. Amorphous solids is an example of plastic. Okay, now next questions, a crystal, a crystalline solid do not have one of the following properties is, that is crystalline solid have a property of anisotropic, soft melting point and definite regular geometry, but isotropic is not have a property of the crystalline solid. That's why option number C is correct answer. Now next question friends, this question is that the Bragg's equations for diffraction X-ray is, that is option number B is correct answer. Okay, option number B is correct answer. Now next question friends, question number 9. Okay, which of the following is non-crystalline solid? Option A rubber, option B zinc sulfate, option C is mercury sulfide and option D is, that is पैराडोनियम आयोडाइड PBI. ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स जो ऑप्शन ये नंबर का है इज नॉन क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड, दैट इज रबर. ओके, रबर इज नॉन क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड of. Then next question friends, glass, rubber and plastics are the amorphous solids. Okay, glass, rubber and plastics is an amorphous solids. आपको एग्जाम में पूछ सकता है कि इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा सब्सटेंस है कि जो अमॉर्फस सॉलिड के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक को शो करता है. इसमें ऑप्शन रह सकते हैं ग्लास, रबर एंड प्लास्टिक्स. ओके, इसलिए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस आप इंपॉर्टेंट कर लीजिएगा इसे. ओके, इंपॉर्टेंट कर दीजिएगा. Now next question friends, a cubic crystal possesses a total of, that is total of 23 symmetry. ओके, जो क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल्स होता है उनमें से 23 सिमेट्री प्रोसेस हो सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स, देर आर डैश क्रिस्टल सिमेट्री, देर आर 7 क्रिस्टल सिमेट्री. ओके, हाउ मेनी क्रिस्टल सिमेट्री? देर आर 7 क्रिस्टल सिमेट्री. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस, द इंडाइसेस used to denote the directions of a plane of crystal are, that is option number B, Miller indices should be the correct answer. Miller indices is correct answer. Okay. Now important one question friends, the diffraction of X-ray by crystal was discovered by the law. Option B is correct answer. Now अब हम जब मारेंगे फ्रेंड्स इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री के कुछ बेहतरीन क्वेश्चंस की तरफ. ओके. So number electrochemistry के number 1 questions, which of the following element act as an inert electrode? So friends, option number C, that is platinum is correct answer. Okay, platinum is the element act as an inert electrode. Now next question friends, question number 2, if electricity is passed through a copper sulfate solutions by using a platinum electrodes, of the following possible changes occurs. So friends, इसमें जो ऑप्शन नंबर बी है, दैट इज कलर ऑफ द सोल्यूशन बिकम्स फेड. दिस वन शुड बी द करेक्ट आंसर. कलर ऑफ द सोल्यूशन बिकम्स फेड. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स, स्ट्रॉन्गर द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट ग्रेटर इज द व्हाट? सो फ्रेंड्स, स्ट्रॉन्गर द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट ग्रेटर इज द रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल. ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट आंसर. स्ट्रॉन्गर द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट greater is the oxidizing potential. Now next question, which has a maximum oxidation number? Nitrogen, chromium, sulfur and magnesium. So friends, option number D, magnesium, that is manganese is correct answer. Okay, manganese is correct answer. maximum +7 ऑक्सीडेशन शो करता है. ओके, +7 तक की कर सकता है मैग्नीशियम. सो मैक्सिमम ऑक्सीडेशन इज दैट मैग्नीज. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेल इज नॉट that is rechargeable. Okay, so option number which one? So option number B, that is silver oxide cell is not, that is rechargeable. जो सिल्वर ऑक्साइड सेल्स होती है फ्रेंड्स, वो नॉट रिचार्जेबल होती है, उसमें चार्ज नहीं किया जा सकता. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स, इन एन इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल्स करंट फ्लो, जो इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल्स होते हैं उसमें करंट कहाँ से कहाँ फ्लो होता है? फ्रॉम कैथोड टू एनोड्स इन आउटर सर्क्यूट, फ्रॉम एनोड टू कैथोड्स outer the cells, and option C, from cathode to anode inside the cell. So friends, option number B, from anode to cathode outside the cell is correct answer. From anode to cathode outside the cell is correct answer. Now next question, which of the following is true in the case of zinc copper cell? So friends, option number C is the correct answer. So zinc act as anode and copper act as a cathode. Okay, सो जिंक एक्ट करता है एज अ एनोड एंड कॉपर एक्ट करता है एज अ कैथोड करके. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स, इन अ गैल्वेनिक सेल, in a galvanic cell the chemical energy is converted into the electricity. So option number A is correct answer. In galvanic cell the chemical energy is converted into the electricity. Then next question friends, the degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte increases as that is option number B, that is dilution decreases. Okay, option number B, dilution decreases. Degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte increases as the dilution is that decreases. Okay, नॉट दैट इज डाइल्यूशन आल्सो इंक्रीजेस, क्योंकि इंक्रीजेस बोला है ना फ्रेंड्स, ये देखिए यहाँ पर इंक्रीजेस बोला है, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इंक्रीजेस, दैट्स वाई द डाइल्यूशन इज आल्सो इंक्रीजेस नॉट डिक्रीजेस. ओके, दैट्स वाई ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सोल्यूशन conductance of electricity is due to what? Is due to, that is option number B, is due to the ion, that is transformations of ion from positive to negative. Okay, now most important question friends, reactions at the anode is called what? So reactions at the anode is called oxidation. Okay, that's why option number A is correct answer. And the reduction at the cathode is called what? That is reduction, and reduction at the anode is called oxidation. नाउ फ्रेंड डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी के टॉप 12 MCQ. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द स्पेक्ट्रा कॉज इन द इंफ्रारेड रीजन बाय द ट्रांजिशन इन वाइब्रेशनल लेवल इन डिफरेंट मोड्स ऑफ वाइब्रेशंस आर कॉल्ड द वाइब्रेशनल स्पेक्ट्रा. ओके, दैट इज वाइब्रेशनल स्पेक्ट्रा. Now next questions, in IR spectra of a compound helps in friends option A, that is proving the identity of compounds. Option B, showing the presence of certain functional groups in a molecule. Option C, neither of the above. So friends, A and B, that means both. Option number D is correct answer, both of the above. Now question number 3, the Raman and IR spectra can tell us whether a molecule is linear or non-linear. Option B, a molecule is symmetrical or asymmetrical. So friends, that is both are there. So question number option number D, that is both of the above is correct answer. Now question number next friends, what does the IR spectroscopy allow us to determine? So friends, option number B, that is the kinds of the bond in a compound is correct answer. Okay, so option number B is correct answer. Now which of the following will show the absorption band at the greatest wave number? So that is greatest wave number absorption band रहेगा फ्रेंड्स, वो कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड कार्बन रहेगा. ओके, कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड कार्बन. Now next questions, which of the following has show the absorption band? Have show in absorption band at the greatest wavelength. So carbon, here is oxygen and hydrogen bond. Oxygen and hydrogen bond show the absorption band the greatest wave number. Okay. Now question number 7, Hooke's law relates the that is restoring force. जो F होता है to displacements is that to displacement Q as option number A, that is F is equal to minus KQ is correct answer. Okay. Now next question friends, the lowest energy of quantum mechanical harmonic oscillator is 0 point energy. What is that? Is 0 point energy. Now next questions. Now next question friends, in NMR is the study of the absorptions of by nuclei a magnetic field. So option number C, that is radio frequency radiation is correct answer. Radio frequency radiation is correct answer. Okay. Now NMR spectrometer provides a dash and dash methods for determining the structures of the soluble chemical substances. So friends, option number B, that is accurate and non-destructive. Okay, NMR spectrometer provides the accurate and non-destructive method determining the structure in soluble chemical compounds. Then next question friends, when placed in a magnetic field, all the random spins of the nuclei is option C, that is aligned with the magnetic field is correct answer. Okay, aligned with the magnetic field. Now next questions. So better understanding of the nuclei is possible with the help of mathematical translator called that is Fourier transfer algorithm. Option number C is correct answer. Okay. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, यूनिट 4 के अभी कुछ एमसीक्यू डिस्कस करेंगे क्वांटम केमिस्ट्री के. ओके, सो द प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर डिस्क्राइब द ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज एनर्जी एंड साइज ऑफ द ऑर्बिटल. ओके, एनर्जी एंड साइज ऑफ द ऑर्बिटल प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर डिस्क्राइब्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस. ओके, वी नो वेरी वेल एनर्जी, साइज and principal quantum number. What is the shape of the orbitals? Who's the one is one? So friends, that is one is one. Option number B, dumbbell. One is one. That is the shape is that is dumbbell. Now next questions. What is the magnetic quantum number of the orbital 2pz? So friends, the magnetic quantum number of the orbital 2pz is 0. Okay, so option number D is correct answer. Now the total number of nodes for 3d orbitals is option number B, the 2 nodes for 3 orbitals should be the correct answer. Option number B is correct. Now next question friends, question number 5, which of the following set of quantum number is not a valid? So option number B, that is n is equal to 1, L is equal to 2, M is equal to 0 and S is equal to half is not a correct. Okay. Now next questions, according to Apabu principle, which of the following orbitals should be filled first? Okay, so 5d है, 4p है, 3p and 2s है. इनमें से कौन सा ऑर्बिटल हम फिल सबसे पहले फिल करेंगे? जिसकी एनर्जी कम है उसको ही सबसे पहले फिल करेंगे, 2s को फिल करेंगे फ्रेंड्स. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस. ये सीरीज है हमारी. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सीरीज, ओके, दैट डायरेक्शंस वी कैन फिल द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स then no two electrons have the same set of all four quantum numbers. True or false? So option A, this statement is true. No two electron have the same set of all the four quantum number. Absolutely true. Okay. Then this one last question, friends. How many electrons can exist with the principal quantum number? Value is as 4. So friends, option number C, there are 32 electrons exist with the principal quantum number. Value is 4. दिस वन इज करेक्ट आंसर. फ्रेंड्स, क्लास अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक बटन को जरूर हिट कीजिएगा. अगर चैनल पे न्यू हो तो सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कीजिएगा, क्योंकि आपके लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन 60 के क्वेश्चंस लाए जाते हैं एज अ व्यू पॉइंट ऑफ एग्जाम के. एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चंस होते हैं टोटल. ओके. मैक्सिमम हमारे बहुत ऐसे पेपर हैं जो +10 ओके +12 क्वेश्चंस हमारे पेपर में से ही फंसे हैं, हमारी इस मॉक टेस्ट में से. सो फ्रेंड्स, चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. ओके, बाय, टेक केयर एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.